欢迎来到今天的英语新闻听力练习。今天我们将把目光投向纽约市，共同关注冬令风暴费恩带来的挑战。在接下来的听力素材中，我们将回顾这场风暴席卷而来的48小时，从积雪超过10英寸的降雪高峰，到随后极具危险性的冻雨与雨夹雪。你将了解到这场风暴对现实生活的影响，包括交通受阻以及学校转为远程教学等真实新闻片段。
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are looking at a major weather event that is literally covering the Northeast in white. Winter Storm Fern has arrived, and if you are in New York City right now, you know exactly what I am talking about. For a long time, we have not seen a storm of this scale, but it is finally here. Let us break down the timeline for this storm. It started early Sunday morning, and the snow became very heavy by the afternoon. In some parts of Manhattan and the Bronx, we have already seen more than 10 inches of snow. On top of that, the temperature has dropped significantly, making it very dangerous to stay outside for too long. As the storm continues into Monday, the snow might transition into a mix of freezing rain and sleet. As a result, travel will be extremely difficult, and many schools have already decided to close or move to remote learning. It is a real game changer for our weekly schedule. Make sure you keep an eye on the local news for any updates. Whether you love the snow or hate the cold, please stay safe and warm. Keep practicing your English every day, and I will see you in the next one.